Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate sub-items here in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Duplicating sub-items here in Monday.com is a straightforward process that can be useful for a lot of reasons depending on your workflow and project needs. For example, if you have a recurring set of tasks, by the way, we also have a separate video on how to create recurring tasks here in Monday.com that you might want to check on our channel. And basically, duplicating sub-items allows you to easily reuse that structure without having to manually recreate each sub-item. For example, this is going to be the sub-item. I'm not going to show you how to create a sub-items here because we also have a separate video for that you might want to check on our channel. This one, these are the data included here. If you want to create a new task, for example, this one, and create all of this, it's going to be tedious. It'll take a lot of time. And for you to be able to duplicate such items or sub-items here in Monday.com, all you're going to do is go to the sub-items that you want to work with. For example, YouTube tutorials. Right-click on it, and there's going to be an option that says duplicate with updates or duplicate without updates. Now, similarly, if you click on this one, if you duplicate with updates, what will happen is you have successfully duplicated one item. You can also do the same thing with duplicate without the updates right here, and it's a straightforward process. Now, doing so will allow you to start with a solid foundation while still allowing for customization based on the unique needs of each task. For example, this one. In my case, I have already connected these boards to a specific board. So that's why it's not this one. It's not been duplicating with updates. You see that one? But the thing is, while duplicating these sub items, it can serve as a backup before making significant changes, allowing you to experiment or maybe test new ideas with your collaborator if you are working with multiple freelancers or with your client without losing the original structure of the data. Right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.